We're going to prove this identity here now, and we're supposed to make this left side, which is pretty complicated, look like the right side, 2 tan theta. And you know, these trig identities are more about understanding fractions than they are about trigonometry. If you want to combine two fractions, you're subtracting two fractions, you need a common denominator. So what you have to do is multiply the bottoms together, 1 minus sine times 1 plus sine. And if you do that, you have to multiply the top and you have to multiply the top of this by 1 minus sine theta and the top of this by 1 plus sine theta. Let's see what happens. 1 minus sine times 1 plus sine. Well, that's going to equal 1 times 1 is 1. Minus sine times sine is minus sine squared. And then you'll have plus sine alpha and minus sine alpha. That'll cancel. You'll just have minus 1 sine squared here. Now, before you start multiplying the top out, 1 minus sine squared, well, that just equals cos squared. That's an identity you need to know. Sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So 1 minus sine squared is cos squared. Now, look at all these coses. Cos over cos squared, oh, that just cancels. And you just got a cos theta in the bottom. And this just cancels. It actually turns into the cos theta there and the cos theta there cancels. You've got 1 plus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta over cos theta. Okay, what's 1 minus 1? Well, that's nothing. But sine theta minus minus is plus another sine theta. That's 2 sine theta. But sine theta over cosine theta is just equal to tan theta. I think we've just made it look like the right-hand side, 2 sine theta. That's a little tricky, but that's how it works.